Hello and welcome to the episode 12 of PyTorch Code Deep Dive. In the previous episodes, I showed internals of PyTorch module. In this episode, I will show how Transformers library allows loading artifacts for inference on Hugging Face available models. If you find presented content useful, don't forget to press like button and subscribe. I will pick diver image as an example and ResNet 50 model. ResNet 50 model will let me classify the image. Firstly, I am creating pill image. Pill image cannot be directly used with the model, so I will need ImageProcessor to process it first to acceptable input format. In order to create processor, I will use from pretrained, which is a common pattern in Transformers library. Let's deep dive to check how it works. From pretrained requires logical name of the processor as it was registered in Hugging Face. It also accepts keyword arguments that allows customization of how library fetches the model as how to override default model parameters. Majority of the function is about dealing with these keyword arguments, and I will not deep dive into details of all of these. The first step is to use image processing mixin to get the image processor dictionary for the specified model. Image processor name is preprocessor config.json by default, if not overridden. It can be enforced to load model files from the local files by specifying local files attribute or environment variable. In such case, file is resolved to local storage and has to be already present. This might be useful for containerization of the application or isolated installation. In our case, config file is looked up in the Hugging Face cache. If not specified manually, Hugging cache is located in user's directory .cache/huggingface/hub by default. This global default can be customized by HF environment variables. Library will try to download file via HTTP, building first full URL with the file location. The file is downloaded to the cache directory. For image processor, both processor and preprocessor configs are fetched. Processor may indicate image processor config, and if not present, preprocessor config is loaded to establish this information. Once dictionary of this is ready, image processor type is either picked directly from the config or deducted from the feature extractor class. There's our emergency path to extract the type directly from model config. The class is dynamically loaded from the Transformers module. Once the class is found, ImageProcessor from pretrained is called, and the preprocessor dictionary is read from cache this time. Once available, object is initialized from init method, conf next image processor in this case. The same approach applies to model loading. As a result of the call, image is classified as scuba diver. That's actually correct. In this video, I showed you how the artifacts are loaded with Transformers library. Now you know. If you like this video, make sure to press like button and subscribe. I hope my content will help you creating something great. Thanks for watching.